make Sri Lankan powder, curry powder. You know, that's the basis of all the Sri Lankan curry.
Potato curry, beef curry, chicken curry.
What we've got here is cumin seed and coriander. And the coriander is usually twice the amount of the cumin seed. Mustard seed, fennel seed. This is fenugreek, and you know already, you don't use much of fenugreek. Yeah, because what happened to yours?
Bitter.
This is just plain raw rice, and that gives it a very distinctive flavour as well. Then we've got curry leaves and pandanus leaf, and this is just black peppercorns, right? And these things in the middle here, which is cinnamon and chillies, whole cloves, and that's cardamom inside the pods. And those don't have to be roasted. I know some people do put them all together and put them in oven, but it's not a good idea because these cook at different times. So it goes into a dry pan which has been heating, and take the first ingredient in. So I always start with the cumin. You can start to smell the aroma. Can you smell it over there? Yeah. You see it's roasted?
You see the smoke.
Yeah, and you can hear it popping. And I just stick it into a container. So this is the coriander going in now. There we are. Okay, so we check those in. I can smell it. Can you smell it over there? Fennel leaf. It's very similar to something called dill. And we use dill as well. But dill and fennel, a lot of people sort of mix them up together. They're not the same thing at all. And that's got quite nice and brown. Chuck that in. I can put the rice and the fenugreek in because, well, it doesn't take that much difference in time. Now that's light brown, that's fine. The curry leaves will take no time at all. So I can stick those in at the same time as a rampe because they're all leaves, right? Rampe, this pandanus, is used a lot in Southeast Asia. Not just for curries, but they use it for flavouring desserts, pastries, the peppercorns, they're done. All right, so really we've done everything we need to brown off. And we just need to grind these now. Do you want to have a go?
No.
Oh.
Here she is, Nisha.
Hello, darling.
She's the artist in our family, isn't she? Nisha does all the beautiful artistic things.
Yes. Nisha's also half the size of us. Have you noticed?
Yes, she'll get like us when she's our age.
Thank
Don't
you.
worry
Something to
about
look
that.
forward to.
There's my daughter. Here to watch. It's a bit natural. Okay. So Nisha, what we're just going to do now is just grind them all together. Okay. Smaller quantities, obviously. It's going to be very noisy. This grinder is so old that I don't even know how old it is. It's like a vintage. Yeah, it's an heirloom. But it works. As long as it works, it's got a place in my kitchen. Right? Are you ready? Can you smell it?
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Isn't that brilliant? Now what I'll do
Beautiful.
is sieve it first. And then at the end, I will use what's left over and sieve it again.
That's why he's only hanging around for the
I
dinner
know
after.
he is. Right, sit.
Say you like our videos. Doesn't matter if you have to lie. Say you like them by pushing the button, and then share it with all of your friends and all of your enemies.
So do join us. We'd love to see you. Bye.